all, government students have midday meals, and they are going to have a good playground, and there is a physical education teacher to the students who is going to make to play games, and they take proper education, and they think that they are giving proper education to the students, and they make sure that every student is participating in every situation, and like they're gonna have some cultural activities, and the people who study in the government schools have a good support. Like I have seen my friend. He's from the government background. Actually, he achieved 8.5 from the government school. I thought he can't study anything, and I thought his maths is not good at all. But in the last year, he proved everything is wrong. He got an NIT. He secured a seat in NIT and Surathkal. So you can by seeing this, you can know how the students from the government school are strong at maths and all this stuff.
When comparing to the government schools, private schools are providing highly qualified education to the students. And even here, everyone belongs to private school, and people who are from private schools are coming to take their part, and they are doing good at communication. And even private schools are providing more facilities to their students. Thereby, they can learn a lot of things from them.
Actually, private schools don't provide any facilities to the student. As you see, we are all from private schools. In the beginning, we do struggle a lot with the government students. There is no difference between a student who is from the private school and the government school. In the beginning, both are same, but who tried hard and who pushed himself to learn a lot of things, he had succeeded in.
Government schools and colleges are not providing proper labs to their students. Thereby, they are not getting any sufficient knowledge about the subject. But private schools are providing labs to the students, and the students can go there. They can do whatever they want. They can get a lot of
Even the private school have labs. They don't use, like I'm from the student from Balaji. We have a lab in our school, and we didn't use to. Even I am a student from a private school. Even we do have a lab, and we didn't used to use a lab at all. Just for the sake of name, we used to have a lab, and all the time the teachers used to teach from the class and in the class, and they used to give only bookish knowledge, and we didn't have any practical knowledge to learn in our schools.
Yeah, as you said, you have a lab, but you are not practicing at all. But all the schools are not same at all. My school is providing labs, and even we are participating in the science fairs, and we are going to other schools to improve our knowledge, and we are showing our talent in front of the other people, and we are getting a lot of prizes at the time.
When it comes to science fair, every student goes to YouTube at the night, and he sees something like he breaks the car and takes out the motor, so you can understand how foolish he is, and he doesn't have any knowledge regarding to how to make his own experiments and his own projects. The child goes to a car and breaks the car and takes out the motor. It's not good at all. We shouldn't break the things which are working in a proper way. And after breaking that car, he takes out the motor and fixes to a thermocol, and he feels like a scientist.
And coming out to the lecturers of government schools, they are just coming to gain their salary, but they are not teaching anything that is useful to the students. But coming up to private schools, they are motivating the children. They are improving their communication skills. They are completely focusing on the future of the children.
Actually, government teachers are more educated than the private school teachers, because if you see, they have to clear the TET and DSC exam for getting into the field. It's so hard to get a teacher job because if a government teacher gets into a job, you should have to know he has good communication skills, and he has a lot of knowledge regarding to either math or languages. You should have to think like that. But what happens because in government schools some people don't attend the schools, and because like that they're gonna happen, and because of those situations teachers be lazy, but not because of themselves, and in the beginning they feel they are responsible to teach students, and they're gonna give the good knowledge. So like that they think, because of the parents who make their children to go government schools, because of them they face problems like this.
Yeah, they may be highly qualified, but they are going to college, they are going to schools or college at 9 a.m. in the morning, and they are returning back to their homes at 4 p.m. Between this lack of time, they are not communicating with the children. Thereby, they can't get any idea about the future of the children, right? And even those between those time, they are eating and they are giving breaks to their children, and they are going out, and it's not good at all.
If you see, it depends upon the students how to behave with the children. Most of the times, the students are from the villages. Like if you see, people who are from the villages have a mindset like we have to work hard in the fields and we have to work, give support for our father. So they bunk the classes sometimes and they go to movies and do all this stuff. So because when there are no students, how can the teacher get interest to share something towards students? And a lot of times I have seen government teachers are insisting the students to attend the school every day, and I have a good attendance percentage, and also they teach a lot of times they gonna give moral values. And as a government teacher, they know how to work hard to get a government job, and they gonna say that how to be a good student and what are the requirements for the government student to be in a good position.
And I think you all know all the students from government school are getting addicted to bad habits nowadays because of not having proper care toward the children from the teachers. Thereby they are getting addicted to bad habits, but private schools are not allowing their children even to step out of the school or to get or to go to movies like that. Thereby student is spoiling their life by studying at government school.
Actually, it's totally wrong. People who are from the government school are more educated. They know how to support their parents, and sometimes they go for a part-time job and they help their parents. Actually, they have more responsibility than a student who is studying in a private school. Like if you make a student to educate in private school, he is gonna learn nothing, and he doesn't know how to take responsibilities of the parents and how to support the parents. He doesn't know anything about that. But when you see a government student, he knows how his father works hard in his fields, and he likes to support his father very much.
Stop.